Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. Safe Green here. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. And we're all about helping you save money and finding things that are going to be of value to you. And we talked about this not too long ago on another video, the Pixel 4a with 5G, because now many networks are offering 5G for free. They're not charging you anything extra, but you do need to have a 5G phone. So the Pixel 4a with 5G is a good value, good buy. Please check out the link in the description where you can just link to it and get it with a promo code already attached and get it at an unbelievable price of around 400 bucks or even under that, depending on when you're watching this video. Again, this is a new phone for end of 2020, early 2021, but we're going to also talk about something that we consider a good value purchase, and that is protection for your phone. Now, a phone like this one, which I own one, actually I'm recording on it right now. A phone like this one, the LCD or the LED display, if it goes out, you're going to be out over $150 just to replace the screen. So it is very expensive to repair. So you want to go ahead and spend around 25 bucks for one of these. Think about it as insurance, and they have them in different colors. And the brand that we like to use and been using for many years already is this brand, Supcase. And I will show you a link in the description where you can even get it cheaper than what they sell it on their website. Unbelievable, but true. But they have them in different colors, so it depends on what color you prefer. The one I currently have on my phone right now that I'm recording from is in black. This is for my wife. She wanted it in red. They do come with these holsters. I like to keep it on the holster on the belt. But I mean, my wife would just toss it in her purse like this. But sometimes she may want to just keep it in the holster even while it's in the purse, so that even though this does have a protector in the front to protect the screen, just so that it doesn't get scratched up. So just another option for you ladies out there. Now, it does have a little notch here separating front casing from rear case. So that's pretty cool. And what that notch does is it helps you separate it, the front from the actual body casing. So you just put your nail like that, or if you have something like a like a knife or a spoon or something that you want to put in there in case you don't want to break your nail, and then it just easily pops out. You see, there's going to be this little protection inside, and then you put the phone. Literally, what I like to do, oh, by the way, it does have a plastic in there like that. You just peel back, just set it on your table, and then remove this. And as soon as you remove that, just drop it in there, just like so. Okay, and then the back part just goes in there. Get it around the body like that. Let me start turning the phone on. Okay, there we go. And then it'll tell you just remove that glass there. That's simple. So while I have it on the setup screen, a few things I wanted to talk about with the casing. It does have this, I guess, tripod setup where you can put it on the table like that, or you can put it like this if you're watching a video, and then just close it when you're done. Just snaps in there, just like so. It does have the fingerprint reader access there. You have your cameras, So it's custom made for each phone. They have them for just about every phone out there. And then of course, if you want to use your holster, just drop it in the bottom first and let it snap on the top. That simple. Keep it protected. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this as well. So it does allow the swivel action there. But wanted to talk about the phone because one of the things that you might be looking into is the Pixel 5, because it is the premium Google phone right now, but we went with a Pixel 4a, and a few reasons why. Although the Pixel 5 has a little bit more RAM memory. This has 6 gigabytes. The 5 has 8. And it does have wireless charging on the 5. You don't have it on this one, but it really doesn't matter if you don't use wireless charging. And the charger that comes out of the box is an 18 watt fast charger, so you're not going to have any issues charging your phone as far as speed goes. So to me, going with a 5 was, I mean, it's like $150 more for some features that I really was not going to use. Actually, some of the features that the 5 lacks that I have on this one are other reasons why I went with this phone. So one of them being the headphone adapter. Okay. And it does have it. There we go. Which you do not have on the 5. There's no headphone adapter. This does have it. And another thing too is, believe it or not, the screen on the Pixel 4a is a tad bit bigger than the Pixel 5. I don't know, go figure. But anyway, for the value, and it depends on when you're watching this video, but this is probably around a $400 phone, depending on if you're going to buy it new or used. But for a 5G phone in 2021 that's going to get your 5G signal, and also it's unlocked, so you can connect this with any carrier that you would like to that has 5G. Right now they all are. So T-Mobile, which we're using Mint Mobile, using T-Mobile's signal on Mint Mobile. As you know, they partnered with Sprint, so they're already using 5G. As a matter of fact, there's a video I just did on a 5G speed test on Mint Mobile in the small town of North Fort Myers, and you'll see that video pop up on the top right hand corner of the screen as I'm saying this. You can click on it and see it. So we're already getting 5G on our phone already. Verizon is also doing it, and so is AT&T. So you just want to make sure that your carrier is including it. Mint Mobile is. So we're getting 5G right now on Mint Mobile at no additional cost. So that's a really cool thing. So just wanted to mention that for the price of a 5G phone, the Pixel 4a is indeed a good buy. I've been happy with mine. As you can see, I'm recording from it, and so happy that I went and got my wife one too. So, which is this one right now. She's going to be using this, and she's going to start using it today. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.